Hello, good morning.
Hello. Good morning. I'm Pastor here.
Me pacho me ho ye now so eh.
Nyame abo ebokia asasam na mo beka ne sisi. Me ka pe bi che me pa me ma mi akabanku. Mi zibedi bi me man pacho me ban so me bua na me se de mu.
Oh.
Mada tuma ko kula banku ni kita me sa na de a tuna makana se. Na da tuna makana se kita mi 3 days.
Unu FM 95.1.
I brilliant amazing. Me don't find father, but the woman said,
Oh.
Boy, Miss Area, one who wants a little baby or your baby dinner to him inside the animal for mercy.
Oh.
Well, no, me, the young me too, almost to say, no, my never, I never thought about too much to pass 3 days. Me, no, that kind of Mummy,
That's super free.